So right now Dave and I are working on the plans for the bookshelf, the shelving unit, which goes here at the base of the stairs, where we're gonna box out this duct that's going, this heat trace that's going up, and I'm just gonna build a nice little unit here that will cover that up and be a really nice place to display things and to drop your bag and your mail and everything when you come in. And I had a design idea for it, which was this drawing here, and then Dave is going to, he's working on it right now to actually take better, precise measurements and work out the design so that he can build it properly. And he's going to have to build it off site because he's going to need to take it where he has all of his large, really big clamps and everything, and can put it together, build it much better, and then bring it back here. So this was a drawing that I did, and it's a scale drawing. And then Dave is working on his right now. I'm just working it out in his mind, how everything's going to fit together. And yeah, so it should be nice. This this section here, I'll just get back to the drawing here. It's got the shelf, the drawer or door area down at the bottom, sorry. And it's got a toe kick here. This is the bookshelf that goes up, and then this part here to the right is going to be some kind of stained grade wood. And I thought that would be a nice design because otherwise the proportions just look really, really off. And I think it's also a nice design detail. So, Dave's working on that.
Top of
His makeshift desk. So today is the day that we are putting in the shelving unit. It's exciting. Let's swing around and take a look. So there it is. And Dave's got to cut the hole to accommodate this air conditioning duct. I'm just so pleased with the way that it came out. I think, let me swing around here. I think it looks pretty much exactly like the drawing that I did initially for it, so I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy with it. And it's got this opening here where we still have to build in some shelves because the duct is still exposed in there, but we're going to build something in there, like, you know, to kind of cover that up.